Hello students, it's me Rizwan here. I've prepared a series of videos to explain how to use the graphic display calculator um, Casio FX9860G which you see here. This is the first video of this series. After watching all the videos, you'll be able to use this calculator to answer paper 2 style questions in International Baccalaureate Mathematics standard level examination. I'm using an application called Snagit to prepare these videos. I've prepared two worksheets to explain the functions of this calculator. The first worksheet that you see here will help you understand all the basic functions of the calculator. The second worksheet that you see here, let me open it. Now it is titled GDC training. Now this has around 51 IB questions. Again, I'm going to solve them using this calculator. So when you watch all these videos, you'll be very clear as to how to use the calculator, this graphic display calculator. Yeah. Now you can see that there are a lot of options available, students, in this calculator. You have the run mode, you have the statistics, you have graphs, you have dynamic graphs, you have table, spreadsheet, equation, conics, etc. But I'm going to focus only on four options. That is the run mode, the stat mode, statistics, the graph mode, and the equation in these videos, right? Okay. So first let us look at the layout of the calculator. You can see that there are 47 keys in this calculator, and you may note that there are two options above most of the keys, in fact, not all the keys, most of the keys. You can see above 7 on the left hand side you have capture, right hand side you have letter M. Above 9 you have left hand side paste, and right hand side the letter O. Now all the options that are printed on the left hand side are in sandal color, and they can be accessed using the shift key, which is also in sandal color. Okay. And again, the options that are printed on the right hand side, that is capital M, N, O, they are red in color, and then they can be accessed using this key, which is also the alpha key, which is again red in color. Okay, so let us go to the run mode first. So enter. You can see that there are only one option in the screen, student. There is MAT, M-E-T, which is matrices. But what you need to do is you press shift in case if you, for example, let me exit. In case if you have only this option available in the calculator, then you need to do this first. You press shift. Okay, I want to access this setup, which is above menu. You can see that setup is standard in color. To access that, I have to press shift and this menu key. So shift and menu will give me the input mode as linear. So when I change it to math, how do you change it to math? You can see that math is above F1. So let me enter F1, press F1. You can see that the linear has changed to math. Okay, so please, this is very, very important. You have to always make sure that the input mode is math. And the another thing that you need to always be very mindful about is the angle should be in radian. So you can see that degree, radian, and grades. Okay, there are three measures. These are the three measures of an angle. In case if it is in degrees, you can see it is in degrees here. You have to make sure that it is in radians. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now let me exit. Okay. Now you can see there are four options, right? Jump, delete, matrices, and math. Okay. So when I enter math, that is F4, you can see there are matrices, logarithm, absolute value, d by dx. There is the first derivative, second derivative, etc. So let me explain how to use these keys, these options. Now I'm going to use the log b to the base a. So press F2. Let us say I want to find the value of logarithm of 5 to the base 3. So let me type 3 and then press this replay key and then 5. Enter. You can see the answer is 1.464973521. Right? Okay. In case if you want to delete this, then exit, delete. It allows whether delete the line or delete all. I would press delete all and then F1, press F1. Yeah, done. Let me press math again. So let us look at this option now, ABS, which is a shortcut for absolute value. Okay. Let's say I want to find the value of absolute value of -3. So press F3 and then type -3 and then enter. You can see the answer is 3. Fine. So let us say now I want to find, I want to use this key, d by dx. So let me press F4. So when do we use this option? Let us look at problem number 3. If y equal to e power 2x minus x square plus 1, find the dy by dx, first derivative at x equal to 2. So I need to press E. You can see that e power x is above ln, which is on the left hand side. So shift ln will give me e power. Now I'll type 2x, 2x is here, okay, and then this replay key, minus x squared, so minus x and then squared plus 1, okay, fine, and then replay key at, I think at 2, yeah, at 2. When I press enter, you can see this is the answer, right? So let me delete everything. So how do you do it? Exit, delete all, F1, done. Let me press math again. Now let us look at the second derivative, d square by dx square. So let us look at this problem. If y equal to x cube minus 2x, find d square y by dx square at x equal to 3. Fine. So the function is x power 3 minus 2x, is it? Yeah. Minus 2x at x equal to 3. Enter. So 18 is the answer. So this is how you use it. So let us look at now. You can see that there is an arrow key above F6. Before that, let me just delete this. Delete all. Yes. Okay. Fine. Math. You can see above the F6 key, you can see an arrow here. So when you press F6, it gives you more option. Integral dx. Okay. Let us check this option. Press F1. Now let us find the value of integral 2 to 5 x cube plus 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. So I'll type first bracket x cube plus 2x plus 1, and then close the bracket. When I press the replay key, it will go to the lower limit, which is 2, and then again replay key, upper limit, which is 5. So press enter. The answer is 176.25. Yeah. So let me delete this. So delete all, press F1. Fine. Now the last option here, which is summation, sigma. Okay, let me use this. Let me see an example for that. Find the value of sigma 5 to 20, 3x minus 4. That means x takes values, natural numbers, from 5 till 20. 5 to 20, 3x minus 4. So let me type 3x minus 4, and then replay. Here it is x equal to 5 to 25 till 20. Okay. So the answer is 536. Yeah, very, very simple. Good. So let me delete everything. Fine. Now let us look at some other options. You can see that in case if we want to find square root of 25, which is above x square, so shift x square and then let us say type 25 and then enter, you'll get the answer. In case if I want to find, let us say, fourth root of let us say 16, then you can see it is above this key. So shift this one. So let me type 4 and then 16. The answer is 2, right? Okay. In case if we want to find, let us say, e squared, what is the value of e power 2? So you can see e power x is above this L key ln. So shift ln and then type 2 and then this is the answer. Fine. Let us see the any other options. Fine. And yeah, that's it. So other options, let us see some examples. So let us see, yeah, now suppose I want to find the value of sine 40 degrees, right? You can see sine is here. So if you press sine and then 40 and then enter, it will give you an incorrect answer. That 0.7451131605, the answer is incorrect. The reason is, you may recall, students, that in the setup, shift setup, the angle was in radian mode, isn't it? But I want to find the value of sine 40 degrees. So what you need to do is you need to change this to degree mode. So degree mode, exit. Now let me find sine 40. Sine 40. You can see that the answer is 0.64. So this is the correct answer, not the other one. So you need to be very, very careful. If you are inputting a degree, then the angle should be in degree mode. Otherwise, it is in radian mode. Okay, fine. So let me find, okay, here. Find the value of tan 3. Now, nothing is mentioned here. They are not mentioned 3 degrees. If nothing is mentioned here, then the default mode for math standard level, IB math, is radian. So you have to, it is understood that this is 3 radian, not 3 degrees. So what you need to do is go to shift, press shift menu, and make sure that the angle is in radian, exit, then find tan 3. So tan 3, the answer is minus 0.1425, 46543, right? Good. Let me delete everything, delete all, fine. So let us see what next. Yeah, now let us look at this problem, students. If sine x is 0.891, find the value of x. You know that x can be found, x is nothing but sine inverse of 0.891, isn't it? So what I'll do is, sine inverse is above this sine, so shift sine inverse of 0.891, so 0.891, answer is 1.0995. This is the answer. Okay, suppose I want to find if cos x degrees is 0.56, then find the value of x. Then you know that x is nothing but cos inverse of 0.56, isn't it? But again, you can see that this is in degrees, x degrees. So you need to make sure that the angle, the input mode, is in degrees. Go there and change it to degrees and exit. Let me delete everything. So cos inverse of, which is above cos, so shift cos inverse of, what is it? 0.56. So 0.56. So the answer is 55.9 degrees. Right? 3 significant figures. Good. Fine. So what next? Okay. Now let us say I want to find the value of 6 factorial. How can you do that? Very simple. You can see the option key OPTN. Press option and then go to probability. So which is press F6. You can see probability here. So press F3. You can find 6 factorial. So 6 and then factorial. The answer is 720. Okay. In case you want to find 6C4. Okay. So you can do that. You can see the NCR option. So 6C4. So the answer is 15. Yeah, very simple. So let me delete everything. Okay. So now you've seen a lot of options that are available in run mode. Let us go to equation mode now. Fine. Okay, maybe we can see it in the next video. So thanks for watching this video, students. I hope you these concepts are clear to you, like run mode, how to use the run mode to solve various problems. Yeah, thank you.